Hello, my friends. I am very excited to share these products with you. One of them has a sister die kit that went on HSN and sold out pretty much instantly. So I've come out with, I'll just show you in just a second. Anyway, lots of fun stuff. Number one, this is the one I'm talking about. This is the one that sold out instantly on HSN. I've changed it. I've made it compatible with that one. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Treat toppers. Now, the treat toppers are so dang adorable. These are the ones I took on HSN. This is the straight. It says treats for you. Happy birthday. These drop-in dies will fit on this one, so they're very compatible. But this one says different things. Oh, and it has the scallop border. So the one I took on HSN was straight. Oh, I'm sorry. That is not. This one is the one I took on HSN. It is straight. But here, this one is scalloped at the bottom. And let me show you. You are getting hugs and kisses. Boo. I have lots of samples. Stay tuned. Boo. Merry Christmas. And you're so sweet. You're going to love it. I can't wait to show you all the samples. Now, number two. We released Ice Pops this month, right? And for our Stampin' Die Hard Club. And I was like, you know what? I'm sorry. I need one, a big one, as a folded card. So this is a mini slimline. It was the only way I could do this shape because it's a weird long shape. So this is a mini slimline, and let me tell you, look how adorable this is. I am madly in love with this one. So go check that one out. Now, last but not least, there's this one. Now, before I even go into this a little bit, this is extremely limited. Do not buy it. That's all I'm going to say, because it's very limited. Once it's gone forever. I'm not bringing it back. And I kind of have a reason. I'm going to explain that later. But it is beautiful. Don't get me wrong. It's an A2 envelope that is beautiful. But once it's opened, it cannot be closed. So like a regular envelope, once you open a regular envelope, you cannot like seal it back up, right? It's done. It's a one and done. This envelope is that way too, but I know it's going to frustrate some of you that it's a one and done. So that's why do not buy it. Okay, I'll show you what I mean in a minute. How many people tell you not to buy their stuff? Nobody. Okay, here we go. Let's jump in and look at the Slimline. Look at these Ice Pops. Look at that. That is a card front shaker. Best shakers you've ever made in your life. Here's another one. Look how cute that is. Oh, it looks so yummy, doesn't it? I just love it. And, oh, I wanted to show you this one again because it's like a chocolate-covered strawberry. It has a little chocolate strawberry at the bottom. So adorable. Now, I need to show you these treats. You guys, look at all these treats I have to show you. Look at all these. Okay, here we go. Ready? Number one, we have hugs and kisses as one of the options. Here's another hugs and kisses. Isn't that cute? Then we have boo. Boo. Now it also, just so you know, it also comes with, so all the layering dies, it also comes with the back pieces, so you can add the little card in the back if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to. So here's one. It comes with boo. Look how cute that is. Now, will these lettering, like what if you don't want the scallop and you bought the one on HSN? Everything coordinates together. So these drop-in pieces will go in that one as well. In fact, you know what? I think I'm going to die cut this for you really quick because I want you to see what I'm talking about. This is really important to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, let's grab this, and we're going to grab one of these. So it's so easy. I know it looks a little like more complicated. It's so easy. You know me. If it's not easy, I'm not going to do it. So here we go. This is the most important. And we're going to grab some green cardstock because it's there. And do not judge me on my color choices. I'm trying to go fast. So I'm going to bring this over here so you can really see how easy this is. And we are going to die cut this. I'm going to go kind of fast because we just want to do this. We're going to run this through. So this is the biggest die, right? This is the most important one. This is the one that has the base to it, right? So we're running this through. And you can use poly bags. You could use our card fronts. You could use our clear envelopes for the bag, whatever you want. They're on our website. We're going to fold that on the score line. Look how cute that is. So it can go on any top, right? It can go on anything. Look how cute that is. Now, for the layering dies, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the layering die. Here it is. And let's say I want to say, "You're so sweet." I could also pick hugs and kisses. I could pick boo, and I could pick Merry Christmas. Also, just a heads up, you could also do these separately. So you know what? We're going to do that too. I want you to see how versatile this is. It's really important to me that you see how dang versatile it is. Let's grab some orange that has adhesive on the back. And for this one, let's just grab some pink. Here we go. Let's see. Ready? Here we go. We're going to lay this down. We're going to lay these two down. So we're going to die cut them at the same time. So we will get some better than washi just to tape that in place so it doesn't move. And then for this one, I have adhesive on the back of this cardstock. I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to lay this die down on top or around it. It's not on top, it's around it. And there we go. And we're going to die cut these at the same time. Oh, let's see. Can we do, oh, we'll do a regular size. Here we go. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Here's where the magic happens. We're going to run this through. Now I've used my better than washi, so I don't have to worry about it moving. And we're going to run that one through. And what we have, oh, little squeaky. What we have here is we have that option to do it by itself, right? And we have, that's why I gave you this extra rectangle. We're going to peel this up and we're going to kind of, got a little crooked, but I want you to see how awesome this is. So I'm going to peel off the adhesive so you can see how fun those spider webs are. And when you add the adhesive to the back, it just makes it so much easier to get all those little tiny pieces. See how I'm missing all those? Look at how stinking cute that is. Isn't that awesome? Here, let me put it on cardstock so you can see. Look how fun that is. So you could put this on any type of card. You don't have to use it as a treat topper, right? It can go on any card. Now, let's see this one. This is the one that's going to go on our treat topper. Give it a couple little flicks. And what we're going to do here, it's all die cut, I just need to flick it out, is we are going to adhere this, and I probably should have used adhesive on the back, but we're going to adhere this to the front, and boom, there you go. So simple, right? Ah, I love it. Okay, back to my samples because there's so many. Look, I'm making a mess, and okay, back to my samples. So here we go. You're so sweet. Boo. Oh, look at this one. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Here's another one. You're so sweet. So you're going to be using these all the time, right? Hugs and kisses. They're very, very versatile. Here's that boo. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. Boo. Now, again, the inside dies that have the words can go in the ones, if you were able to get the HSN ones, they're sold out. But if you got them, they will interchange, right? These will go in those and those will go in these. So I made sure that that would work. Here's another one. You're so sweet. Hugs and kisses. Merry Christmas. I told you the design team went crazy. Oh, and here we even have the to and the from our stamps. Hugs and kisses. So adorable. Okay. Look at all these things. They're so awesome. Okay. Now let's talk about the one and done envelope. And one and done. Remember, that's how normal envelopes are. You open them and they're done. So here we go. This is what it looks like. So here's your cute little envelope. Comes with butterflies. Comes with a little butterfly notch. Now, what do I mean by notch? Here, oh, this one I think is glued shut, so I can't show you on that one. Oh, actually I can. I can unglue it. Okay, so here we go. This notch, ready? Let's open this. This notch holds your butterfly in place. So when I open it, this butterfly is going to come off. And oh, and there's a little one right there too. But this little butterfly comes off. So let's look at this one. Here's that little notch. So in order for your recipient to open it, they are going to have to pull this butterfly apart. Push its wings together and go through that notch. And right here, it's a one and done because it does come apart because they've opened the envelope, right? They've opened the envelope. I know it's going to freak some people out that it does tear right there. It's a one and done. Okay, so we're just keeping that in mind. Also, it's a one and done because I'm not reordering this. So get it now if you want it. Here we go. Oh, also I want to show you, look at how fun this scalloped edge is. Now, if you don't want to use the butterfly can just stay right there and you can seal it normal if you want to and add another butterfly on top. That is up to you. How are you going to get the butterfly in there? You squeeze it and you just pop it through just like that. And there it goes. Look at how stinking cute that is. But one and done. Okay, I am warning you now. So there we go. Here's another one. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to fold those wings. Fold those wings. And we are going to seal it. Be a little careful. There we go. Look how cute that is. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I have lots of awesome samples. It has that fun scalloped edge. Love that scalloped edge. Oh, this one's really cute. I wanted to show you this one. So here we're going to open this one. I've opened this one a couple times. You're not supposed to do that, Stephanie. But so this one is just attached in one spot. I'm going to open this up. Open this up. Look how cute this is. On the flap, and some cute little pictures on the inside. Isn't that adorable? I love that. So it does come with the butterfly die as well. Look how fun that is. Now, here's another one. Cute little cutes. So it is definitely adorable, but it's going to freak some of you out that it's a one and done. But every envelope is one and done. Okay? Awesome. My friends, the first 24 hours, these are on our website. They are on flash sale. Club members, yes, you get the flash sale price and the club discount. It's amazing. I know. I try to make it awesome. So my friends, go to our website, stampsoflife.com. I will see you there. Bye-bye.